The Yahoo Mail app for Android is free, all-in-one email application that lets you access and manage your Yahoo emails easily on your phone. With its simple design, customizable themes, and smart inbox features, you can organize emails, block spam, attach files from cloud storage, and even manage multiple accounts. You need to first have the Google Play Store application on your device. So go ahead and tap on Play Store to open it. And if you're using iPhone, go ahead, search for App Store, and then open the App Store on your device. Tap on the search bar in the bottom right corner of your screen, and again tap on the search bar in the top of the screen. This will let you search. Go ahead and search for Yahoo Mail application. You will see the application with Yahoo Mail organized email, which has 4.5 stars and 7 million reviews and 100 million plus downloads. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you will see the option of install. Click on install and wait for the app to install in your device. Once done, you'll see the option of open and uninstall. Go ahead and tap on open in order to open this application on your device, log in, and start using. But in the case if you already have the Yahoo Mail installed, you can go ahead, search it for in the Play Store. And if you see an update button instead of open right over here, go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. So that's it for this video. This is how you can download Yahoo Mail app on your Android. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.